Am I ready to shoot it? Last 5 rounds?
So you can be
Probably
dead
not,
center
but go for it.
target, but if there's
What do you
shoot
mean?
it on the top,
9mm
you're
first.
gonna shoot low. If it's on
I'm
the
gonna
bottom, you
work
shoot
on
high.
loading
If it's
this.
right to left,
I'm not gonna shoot it right this second.
Alright,
so that
I'm
it's
going hard then.
clear.
Alright.
What time's this range close?
Start. Mainly, I'm just watching. I'm wanting to watch him because he's about to shoot my 308 for the first time.
Oh, yeah.
So,
I'd have him sit down for that.
Yeah, you should probably sit down.
you should,
Huh?
you should sit down.
Say sit down, please.
Alright. Man, this.
It's sure.
I can't see shit in the scope.
You gonna hit that?
Huh?
Okay. No, you shoot at whatever you want. As long as it's not me.
You're smart.
Huh? Tend to be.
I can't see. Babe, what did you do with the adjustment?
So, you have longer arms than me. You need to pull the buttstock out more. You're too close to the scope.
Okay.
Push in and pull back toward you. There you go.
The scope.
Yeah, you're.
You have to figure it out. That's normal.
Are you? Hold on. You're shooting like right there.
Yeah. I can't even see it.
Hold the gun.
Huh?
Hold it hard.
I need a bigger thing. What? You made it dark? Ready?
Are you?
Huh?
I
Yeah.
don't know if he is. But we'll find out.
It's on pew pew.
It's on
Ooh, I saw some fire off that one.
Found something he can hit.
He just needed a
He's
really
hit.
big bullet
Wow.
and a really big target.
That's what I'm saying.
Really target really close.
That's my point.
Last 5 done.